Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you advanced subdomain enumeration, passive, active, brute force, permutation, and ASN techniques. Everything that real bug bounty hunters use to find hidden assets and earn high value bounties. And trust me, after watching this video, your recon skills will go to the next level. So before we begin, hit that subscribe button, smash like, and let's start the hacking magic. Subdomain enumeration means discovering all the hidden doors inside a company's digital world. Not just the main domain, but every internal server, API, developer portal, staging server, and forgotten testing environment. These hidden subdomains often contain real vulnerabilities. So if you want to find bugs before anyone else, you must master this process. Let's begin with passive enumeration. SubFinder is fast and powerful. While this runs, let me quickly explain why passive enumeration is so important. Companies leave tons of footprints online, in search engines, certificate logs, archives, and public datasets. SubFinder collects all of these without making loud requests. This means no rate limits, no blocking, and no WAF alerts. So even if the target has strong security, passive recon keeps you completely stealthy. Now let's run AMAS in passive mode. AMAS collects data from dozens of sources: VirusTotal, DNSDB, Shodan, RDAP, and much more. If you want deep historical data, AMAS is a gold mine. And don't worry about the waiting time. Good recon always takes a few seconds or minutes. That's completely normal. This tool is super quick and gives immediate results. I always run this alongside SubFinder and AMAS to avoid missing anything. Now let's grab archived subdomains. Old URLs are gold. Companies forget them, but the internet never forgets. Wayback Machine helps you find old systems that still exist, but nobody maintains anymore. And those are usually full of vulnerabilities. Now let's move to active enumeration. GoBuster tries thousands of words like dev, test, admin, API, portal, staging, internal. Most companies use common naming patterns. So brute force often uncovers subdomains that passive tools can't find. This part may take a bit longer depending on your word list. Use this time to breathe, because recon is not about rushing. It's about being thorough. AMAS brute force is incredibly powerful. It tries thousands of combinations and finds subdomains that are not visible anywhere on the internet. The step can take time, especially on large word lists. Now we go to the real hacker level techniques. This technique generates smart variations like dev API staging, admin old backend beta portal internal login. These aren't found in word lists, they're generated from patterns. And yes, many companies accidentally expose these. Now let's find IP ranges owned by the company. Every big company owns IP blocks. By scanning those IPs and doing reverse DNS, you can find subdomains that don't even appear online, like internal services, VPN endpoints, and old servers. This method often reveals extreme goldmine subdomains. JavaScript files contain hidden gems, API endpoints, internal URLs, dev servers, staging URLs, test systems. This is one of the most underrated but powerful recon steps. Let's combine everything into one complete workflow. Run SubFinder plus AMAS passive extract subdomains from Wayback and JS. Resolve with DNSX run GoBuster or AMAS brute generate permutations with DNSChem. Expand using ASN merge. Everything check alive hosts with HTTPX. This gives you a complete attack surface that almost no one else finds. If this video helped you improve your recon skills, then make sure you smash the like button, subscribe right now. Turn on notifications, because I upload advanced hacking, bug bounty, and cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching. Stay ethical, stay sharp, and keep hacking the right way.